10,000 subscribers and 6 years cancer free. Perfect combination. Thank you, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Another backyard adventure. We had to move this up even higher because we didn't know that squirrels can jump that high. But because of the thing here, it looks like a lot of ants that died. This is the hummingbird thing, and it just caught a lot of black beetles. Alrighty, guys. Tomatoes are doing amazing. Look at all those flowers. Look at all those tomatoes. Ooh, one's on another one. Be our second one. That we are almost ready. All right. Today's adventure, we're going to clean that shed out. Let me go get the garbage can. Anytime you get a pink envelope in Florida, taxes are due. $2,100 a year. This year. Whew. I remember when it was $1,200 when I first moved here. Let me know where you guys paying taxes where you live at. That's what we pay there. Remember that weed thing? I thought it didn't work. Well, it's working. A little slow, but it's working. Notice one thing, a lot of people's videos that I've seen in Tennessee, they're dealing with a tick problem. Can't remember if we have ticks here, but all right, I got to get this all cleaned up, ready for the hurricane season, so we can just walk in here and pick our stuff out. Let me turn the compost over here with my trusty rake. But let me know about the tick problems. If you've noticed you've had a lot of ticks, I wonder what's going on. I remember ticks in Jersey. Don't remember if they're here in Florida. I'm sure they are, but Tennessee is sure getting an abundant amount of ticks. All right, let me turn this over here on the compost. With BB doing all that compost thing, I'm gonna say it is definitely bringing it down quick. I'm gonna say by November these will be ready. But it has broken down that compost real good. All right, birdie, I hear you. Let me get rid of this. Is the floor thing. Whatever one my mother bought this for, it's not for compatible with a whatchamacallit. It stinks because it's brand new, never been used, but it is not for this here. I got my ant medicines. Got to get my containers put away. Just on that alone, those 4 containers was $60 to fill those up. That is wild. That is wild. All right, so hopefully it'll stay like this. This is the gas storage stabilizer. This works good. Got my saws, bee stuff, hurricane, extra toolbox BB had. Got our propanes ready for hurricanes. It is looking good now. BB's a little hoarder. Oh, there it is right there. I was looking for this dang thing. And the whole time it's right there. Gotcha. I was looking for that blower. But everything is organized. Probably going to go check the mail today to see if anything showed up on this beautiful day. Might get some rain. So what you guys are doing today, just do a little bit at a time. It's all you can do. All right, all that in the garbage. Other than that, everything's been cut, weed eat, sprayed. Just going into the summer for the regular maintenance of it. Sprayed some things on the ant hills here because it's been so dry. Don't want those ants to get in. You guys growing a garden? How's your garden coming along? I know Sean and Carlos, they got a little bit of pepper tree growing in a pot. So everyone's doing something in their yard. What are you doing in your yard today? Let me know in the comments. Alrighty. That air conditioning is going pretty soon, so buy them decals, man. We gotta get about $7,000 up, and hopefully that air does not go in the summer, because that is a complete unit that needs to be replaced. It's been here since 2004. So buy those decals, guys. We need to sell 7,000 of them at $1 a piece. All right, let me go get the car. Let's go get ready. Let's go to the post office. This is a sunflower. Somehow it got in there, and we will see how good that does. But other than that, everything else looks good. If anyone has this Epson printer, it is saying that it's jammed, and we've cleaned everything and moved everything, and there is nothing in here to show a jam. So, you happen to have this Epson, help us out. If not, BB says she has to buy another one. But we've literally checked everything, and that's what it is. An ET4800. It just keeps shooting that there's a paper jam in there, and there is no jam at all. And I don't know where the sensor's at. We've looked online, but if you guys happen to know anything about printers, if you're living close to us and you know you could fix this, boy, we appreciate it. But let us know if you have problems with this, and what do you think the solutions can be. And this is for Luke. We're going to be shipping this out. It's a bunch of license plates from the United States he wanted. But we have to get the declaration and other stuff there. So, and then Jose and Laura sent us something, so we got to send them something as well in Puerto Rico. But I'm going to take you on a journey with that, and we're going to see how much this sucker costs to go to UK. I made some of these little decals. Just trying to get BB's business out there. You guys can help. Really appreciate it. Get her some business. $1 each. They're still going. They're not selling, but hey, $1 each if you want to help support the channel. Just mail it to us and we'll mail it back. All right, let me take you on a day with me to the post office box. She's getting old, and she needs to be looking after now more often. Let's do it. $4.59. Well, as we're scraping up some money because we got hit with the taxes. I think it was 21, and then the house insurance was either 28 for the year. They came in at the same time. How are you guys doing when your either property insurance comes in, your taxes? Definitely let me know what you're paying in taxes where you live at. If you want to share that with us. But other than that, BB's been thinking about getting a part-time job because the health insurance thing, it's taking slow to take off, even with having YouTube or whatever. Just getting them people that are up in that 65 and older age, trying to sell some health insurance. Struggles are out here, but everyone's going through them. hopefully things will start going down soon in the future. But let's go see if we have anything in the mail. Just wanted to keep you guys updated. Had to clean that shed out this morning. Spray some of that weed or ant medicine. Let's see if we either have some mail from you guys or for some product reviews to do at their Kathleen Post Office. Then I'm going to leave a flyer here, and maybe it'll be here long enough to catch some people's eyes that need Medicaid or Medicare. Yeah, that's the flyer I'm going to drop off here. Other than that, it's just been a whole bunch of nothing. Alright, let's see if we got anything. And don't forget Christmas, we'll be doing that again this year. Alright, we got a bunch of cards or letters. 1, 2, and then we got a key. So another one from Sean and Carlos. And then the other one doesn't have anything other. They're from New York, and they got pretty handwriting. All right, let's see what this key has. I think this might be a product review. Number 4. Okay, we got the top boy today. Okay. It's got to be a product review of something. Who knows? All right, BB's flyer is up there. And let's get out of here. Now, she does sell health insurance in other states. They're listed in her Facebook page. BB does insurance. I know she has a seminar. Second seminar. The first seminar, no one showed up. She's going to see what happens with the second seminar. But it's hard. You got to get out there and hustle. That's just how life is. Bunch of hustling. All right, let's go home. Let's see what we got here. Wait for BB to come home. She's at the office today. New health insurance changes have happened, so she's brushing up on those. And anyone that has a health question, go to Facebook. BB does insurance. Boost up that page. Let's get it out there. Let's share it. Especially if you live in Florida. She does all of Florida. And whatever other states she has listed on the Facebook page. So if you know somebody or you're in need of some coverage going into the season, or if you're turning 65, get in touch with BB. We'd appreciate it. Other than that, guys, it's just a little video. Keep up with you guys. Answer any questions. Thank you for the 10,000 subscribers. Even though without views, 10,000 is nothing. We still need the views. You can have 10,000 subscribers all you want. I think that's a lot because of the shorts. A lot of people subscribe to the shorts. They like to watch your shorts, but it's the main videos that we need at least 1,000 plus views a day. Trust me, YouTube ain't paying nothing. But with 1,000 or 2,000 views, well, that'll definitely help out. All right, heading home. Just wanted to chat with you guys. Sorry it's a blood chat, but that's how we vlog. We vlog how we are feeling that day. And just today is just one of those blah days. All right, let's see what we got.
All right, good morning, everybody.
Yeah, that might be a product review. I don't know.
We're going to see. Oh.
Yeah, that's a product review. All right, we'll be doing that. Let's see what the other two are. I thought that was going to be a big bag. But it's fungi powder, so we'll do a video.
Yeah, right. Oh, no. He has made everything beautiful in its time. Oh, for June 2026, dear BB and cameraman, enclosed membership dues at bronze membership. Please keep us hearted or members under the writing list of your channel members. Lori Leonard, YouTube handle. One. Okay. Keep the overage payments are something to you. Do not refund. Okay. This is from Sean and Carlos.
So they just basically...
I don't know. I got to figure that all out because...
Basically, if we just because we can't put the member thing, but on the bottom where it says...
The members.
Where I list the thank you to all the members.
Yes.
They just want to be in there.
Okay. That's
to
fine.
Keep the money that they send you.
We had this really fantastic idea for your birthday gift, but none of our lottery tickets turned out to be winners. Our best wishes for the birthday, and a great birthday, Sean and Carlos.
Alrighty. Well, thank you, Leonard, for sending us.
Thank you.
The card, and we will keep it underneath the thing.
Yes.
And of course, they sent us some money there. And again, we'll keep it underneath where it says member things. We just can't change it.
Right.
But thank you for supporting the channel.
Yes, thank you.
Until the next one.
Everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.